Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we're trying out a new camera angle over the workbench, so hopefully you can see closer to the parts what you've been asking for. Today we're going to try see if we can get this Bachmann F9 diesel unit back up and running. I'll put it out in the tracks and show you what it's doing. It's not replaced the traction tires and the broken gears in it, but it's just not moving, will not go. So we're going to see if we can bring it back to life and try out the camera angle while we're at it. And we'll go. So we'll get at it. I'll start by putting it on the track and showing you what we got. We'll just lay the camera down so it's overhead. Turn the pack on, give her power, full power. Nothing. Not even a flash of a light. So we'll open her up and see what's up. Bring my gear back. This is one I'm trying to get running so that I can sell a few of them and generate some cash for the channel, for the railway funds. Oh, come on there. We'll do one of these types. Ouch. Watch out, folks. These things are extremely fragile. Side while we possibility the light is burnt out as well. Yeah, little sucker. Excuse me, folks, I gotta put my binocs on. Good old reading glasses are not powerful enough. This is your typical Bachmann motor. There goes in here to hold it on, and there's a little clip right here you just push down and he should come right out like that. Open up our motor here. Okay, that screw wants to stay in there. Careful you don't launch your spring. Ah, there's not looking good. That spring is no longer a spring. Means this old girl's been overheated. We may have a dead motor. In which case it's going to get turned into a dummy because I'm not wasting a lot of money on a bathroom. Again, that spring's not too bad. It's frozen in there. Well, that's a new one. It's burnt right into the commutator. Wow. Oh, they ever had this old girl one hot. Okay. That's a new one for me. Come on. These just clip off. Normally, there we go. There's one brush come out. Oh, quaint. These ones, okay. That one's the Betsy Bachmann, everything. I can't make everything the same. This one's the Hong Kong, okay. These are the same little screw. These are the same screws that are on the copper pockets. Hold the coppers on. Okay, we'll open this motor up and see what we've got. Oh, it's even blistered that. She has been hot. Really, you can see all the burn. There's all the burn coming out of it, ladies and gentlemen. I got a distinctive feeling this motor's kaput. We'll find out together here. I can get it apart now, that is. And they got a little clip there. Wow, burnt the brush completely off. Wow. So we need another brush. Huh. Not only did it burn the brush off, it wrapped the spring around the little bushing. You can see in there, there's the bushing for the motor, and it wrapped the spring around it. Oh, there's a little thrust washer. You can go in the... Wow. Well, that spring is... Oh, wow. There's the what's left of the brush, ladies and gentlemen. He burnt it up good. Melted the hole. Wow. It literally burnt a hole in the motor. This cover is supposed to look like this side. That's how much it burnt it. It must have been on fire. Literally. That's still melted under that bushing. Well, you know something, folks? I have the feeling that bulb will probably burn out too. That's why it's not going. With the brushes, the spring, and being it's a Bachmann, I have no desire to want to put a lot of money into it for a $10 locomotive, which is all I'm going to get for it. If I tune it up and rebuild it and sell it, it's going to cost me almost that to fix it. So, with that being said, one, I'll clean him up and turn him into a dummy locomotive. That is, wow. Literally burnt the brush off it and the motor body. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's that for this video. I'm going to pull it off camera and turn it into a dummy. And there's not much, it's just taking the front wheels and everything off, taking the weights, everything out of it, and dummyizing it. If not, we're just wasting your video on that. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I will say that is a new one on me, but you can see what happens. I got a hunch they probably put it over onto ACC when they were setting up the track. They maybe put the wires up to ACC, but you can see what happens when you overheat and overtax your motors on your locomotives. So with that, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you're seeing this, if you anything you want to see or anything you would like to see improved on the videos, please feel free to drop me a comment. I can't improve anything or change anything if you don't say what's happening out there. I do appreciate the comment from the fellow that wrote in. So feel free to leave a comment. And if you're watching this, feel free to leave a like. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. From all of us at Pacific Grand Western Railway, thank you very kindly for tuning in. Have a great day.